Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And this session, this video, I'm just going to discuss about our monthly positional strategy concepts. And we are updating our monthly sheet, which we are going to use for a non-directional strategy, and also our Google sheet, which we can use for a directional as well as non-directional strategy, which based on our advanced option strategy concept. So the month of November, which we are going to update it for the November month contract. So where we are focusing some high volatile stocks for our trading strategy. And also we are planning for our non-directional strategy this month. So we have a lot of stocks because from the beginning, so we have seen there is a lot of downside movement in Nifty. Maybe this month we are expecting some recovery. So maybe we are going to get some opportunity in bullish side, or even if it is continues the downtrend, so maybe we will be getting more stocks. And due to that high fluctuation in the overall market, so we have a lot of stocks for this month. Comparatively for last month, we don't get a much more stock because the first week only it started moving down, and a lot of stocks IV increased. And this month we have already almost 39 to almost 39 stocks where it is we are expecting some high momentum in the stocks for the next 1 month from 1st November to 30th November. So based on our calculations and based on our value, so we are going to plan those stocks if given me an opportunity for a non-directional trade, and we can select from this. And also we can filter out some top 15 stocks from this list based on the expected movement which can be higher inside. So around the 14 stocks which we have selected, and this stocks which we can use for a directional kind of trades, not for a non-directional strategy. Non-directional also be a better one, but mostly that blue color stocks which we have selected for non-directional directional strategy. So you know well when to we can filter out the direction without a charts and indicator. We are simply finding out an opportunity or the breakout by using our concept. So this may be the stock which we can look for an opportunity in this stock if it is given the opportunity. So based on advanced option strategy concept, so instead of tracking all 179 stocks, we can track this 15 stocks if an opportunity. So maybe 1 to 3 stocks per month should be possible from this list. Maybe some other stocks apart from the list also can move, but so we expecting the stock will move based on the logic of IB, IVP and other concepts. So based on our advanced option strategy concepts, this is the month of November, the data is updated. And also if you are looking at the most profitable profit factor having the stock which you can look for is IDFC First Bank. So around the strike price of 66 in Torrent Pharma. So IDFC having good liquidity, there is no issue. And UBL sometimes it is less liquidity, and Muthoot Finance also less liquidity. So you know well how we can select a stock with a liquid factor, and if the stock doesn't have a liquidity, we are simply ignoring those stocks. From this list, we are going to try to find out some opportunities, and simply we are planning out the stocks from the list for a non-directional. So mostly liquid stocks, we have to try to focus for an option trade, and based on the IV and IVP concept, which are filtering out some stocks for our non-directional strategy. So based on our non-directional based strategy, we have a Google sheet, and we updated this Google sheet for the month of November. So there is no stocks which triggered at this moment till, but yesterday we have some movement the 1 hour market, right? So the Diwali market 1 hour which moves some good, but no stocks are moving not much more. But we don't have any opportunity, or the opportunity doesn't trigger any of the stocks either in weekly and monthly basis. This is for a purely a non-directional strategy, and we can apply our hedging strategies also whenever directional triggers which is happening on the breakout point. And here in the first week, normally the first week we have a non-directional weekly and monthly, both should be the same strike price and the same levels to enter. So when you check both are same, there is no difference from the strike price and the entry price. And intraday sheet is updated on Friday evening for the Monday, but we have a 1 hour time market on Muhurta trading. Okay, so we are not going to change that because no other stocks were triggered. So the same strike prices which we are going to continue for Monday. So already some stocks like M&M and Grasim in a put side Bharat Forge and Escar that was moved some good. So this based on the purely R4 breakout, right? So you know very well how we are planning with the Camrilla R4 breakout. So we are going to use R4 breakout based on the concept which you are using. The inside Camrilla also we are used on our Google sheet, and R4 is a simple level where the levels is broken on a particular stock. So we are using to find out an opportunity by R4. So that is also updated, and the inside Camrilla also only from Friday based, not on the Saturday based. Saturday we have a 1 hour market, so don't confuse it. So this is what an update where those who are using our Google sheet. Simply we are just following Friday's close and Friday's based only. So I'm not changing any for the last 1 hour market, and still monthly and weekly there is no issue. So there is no stocks triggered. So you know well last month we have almost 70 stock which moves more than 55%, 50%. So we have a positional strategy that we have to planning 3 to 5 stocks in a month. So but we have more than 70 stocks moving 50% in put side because of huge drop. But month on month it is happening 30-40 stocks which is triggered. From those 30-40, so we have to filter out some quality and good liquidity stocks that we can easily find out for a 3 to 4 stocks in a month, and weekly also the same concept we are applying. Okay. And intraday, so the one more update is intraday strike prices is purely based on the previous closing price. Why I'm taken this MCX 6500 maybe on Monday opening. So MCX 6500 the R4 level may be changed. Okay. So R4 level may be changed because inside level. So because here you can see this is an inside level compared to the 1st of November. But if you are taken out from this level, so most of the stocks which will be level. But what we have taken and what is the level for the Saturday, and still it is available for here on the Monday also. But Monday may be the R4 level not maybe inside. Okay, but we are calculating based on the Friday's value and current day value. Okay, so that means the Saturday which you have already seen, but Monday maybe the levels would be higher, but you don't confuse it. It is based on the Monday R4 values which are used, but that 1 hour we are not considering for our breakout kind of strategies. So simply values on intraday inside levels also calculated based on the Friday's value, but it was changed because of Saturday market, but mostly we are calculating on those values only. But if you have any confusion, so simply avoid this, and from Tuesday onwards this will be updated. And monthly and weekly sheet there is no issue because this month is started, only 1 day is gone, and from the 3rd of November, sorry 4th of November, we are going to plan for a good opportunities from our sheet. And this next month is almost 29th is an expiry, sorry 28th is an expiry. So we have up to 22nd Friday, so we can try for a new opportunity, or we can up to 22nd we will hold our positional strategy what we have taken out in the beginning of the month. So after 23rd, the expiry week, we have stopped all the tradings and we are not going to focus any new opportunities. And as of now, so we don't have any new opportunity which is triggered, but maybe in coming days we will be getting a good opportunity from our list. And also you just compare with our monthly positional. So based on some 15, 14 stocks which you have selected, and also with the IV, and also by the profit factor. And most important thing, so you should liquidity stocks you should focus. And R4 level is going to be updated daily, and this is a 1 day only you should adjust this to sheet, but it is working based on the previous Friday's level and generating on Saturday, but it is showing you on Monday's value. Some maybe difference it may be seen, but there is no issue. So when any opportunity triggers in our intraday, you just cross check with the Friday's based value. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you so much. And this is for a month of November, new month started. I am all the best to all my students who are finished our advanced option strategy. You may be just focusing for a new opportunity, only quality and good liquid stocks. That's good enough. Don't focus to trade many, at least trade few, and it should be a good, and the good stocks. You should, whenever you got a breakout opportunity, you just go for it. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you cleared all the doubts questions from the monthly contract. So we have a monthly positional. As of now, no stocks trigger. We'll be updating in the first after 10 days later. We will be seeing how many stocks which given you the opportunity. From that, we should focus on liquid and quality stocks. I hope you understood. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.